Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, March 12th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so if you remember when I talked on Monday over the weekend, we had a huge dip in the prices of cryptocurrencies. And I originally thought that it had correlation to do with the coronavirus outbreak. But if you watched yesterday's video, we talked about the derivatives market and how that affected the prices of cryptocurrencies. Today, however, with all the news about the coronavirus, we're seeing a dip even in the normal stock market, anywhere from 4 to 8%. And in the cryptocurrency world, we're seeing that exact same trend. So let's start off with Bitcoin at $7,620.64, down 3%, just like the rest of the market. We have Ethereum at $180.83. This is down 10% from yesterday. Dash took a huge hit as well at $66.91. This is down 10% as well. And Litecoin is down to $45.18, also down 10%. I know that the coronavirus is serious. I know that the news channels are really talking about it, setting the fear mentality into people, which is causing them to have less confidence in the market, causing them to sell their assets, and it's hitting everything. It's hitting the stock market, it's hitting the cryptocurrency world, it's also hitting the real estate market. So my suggestion, if you are day trading cryptocurrencies or if you're trading cryptocurrency options, I would really recommend doing your research. Check the last time that there was an outbreak of a virus, like the H1N1 virus. You can see the history and how the markets worked during those times, and you can plan accordingly with your assets now. For the average person that just likes to play in cryptocurrencies, I would give it a month or so before you even start buying and selling, just to let everything calm down and get back to normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you in tomorrow's video.